See, these people are fighting now. Whoa. So we are in Navagraha temple. This is the road, so you can see the view. It's quite foggy, so you won't see anything, but still it looks very amazing if you see it through my eyes. Yeah. So they have graffitis around the wall. It looks amazing, trust me. That is the temple. Yeah, that's what are the graffitis. Just have a look. This is the route through which, so I'm gonna go now. Meet it. So the Navagraha temple is a temple of 9 celestial bodies. That's why we call it Navagraha. These celestial bodies are named after the various planets in the solar systems. So these are the sun, as in the Surya, the moon, as in the Chandra, Mangala, as in the Mars, Budha, as in the Mercury, Brihaspati, as in the Jupiter, Shukra, as in the Venus, Shani, as in the Saturn, Rahu, as in the North Lunar Node, and Ketu, as in the South Lunar Node. So from the backside also they have some temple. I mean the same temple but some other goddess. As a whole it looks amazing, trust me. Like you feel peace from inside. That's important, yeah. That is what God is all about from my point of view. And you think it. See, these people are fighting now. Whoa.